Welcome to our YouTube channel, all about ideas. In this video, we bring you a plethora of home garden ideas designed to transform your space into a serene, nature-filled retreat. Whether you have a spacious backyard or a cozy balcony, these tips will help you create a relaxing environment that brings you closer to nature. House with garden, what you'll discover: creative garden layouts, inspiration for arranging plants and flowers to maximize space and aesthetic appeal. DIY garden projects, step-by-step guides to create beautiful garden features and decorations. Sustainable gardening, eco-friendly tips for maintaining a green garden with minimal impact on the environment. Zen Gardens, ideas for incorporating water features, rocks, and minimalistic designs for a tranquil atmosphere. Vertical gardens, how to build and maintain vertical gardens, perfect for small spaces. Indoor gardening, tips for bringing greenery inside your home with potted plants and herb gardens. Cherry blossom watch, relaxation and well-being. Learn how to design a garden that serves as a peaceful escape from the hustle and